Hi, this is Mavelyn Chapolit, and here's my another video for Packet Tracer Activity 2.7.3 Solving the Missing Route. And here's the learning objectives. Examine the network, view configuration, verify connectivity, view the problem in simulation mode, run the simulation. Examine the results, correct the problem, and verify. Replace the misconfigured static route, verify connectivity, then rerun the simulation. In task 1, examine the network, so view configuration on each of the 3 routers. Okay, so let's start with router 1. Okay, enter, then type the Cisco password, enable, amen. Okay, Cisco, then enable, then type the class password, then show running config. Config. Okay, then after this, typing the or enter the show running config, then followed by the IP route. Okay, show IP route or route, and then verify connectivity from the line prompt on PC2, but we're not yet finished. Let's proceed to router 3. So router 3, enter, then Cisco password, then enable, then class password, then show running config. Running configuration. So that's the interface configuration. And then show IP route. And after this, let's go to the PC2 to ping the PC1 and 3. Desktop ping 172. So this is the IP address of PC1. So pinging 172.16.3.10 with 32 bytes of data. So here, so the ping times out. So this one request times out. So ping statistic for 172.16.13.10 packet sent 4 but received 0, so lost 4. So after that, let's proceed to task to view the problem in simulation mode. So let's go to the problem with the simulation mode. So here, just click this, then enter simulation mode. The simulation sheet show only ICMP events. The PDU of the PC2 and ICMP correct was intended for PC1. Okay. To speed up, the PDU process or the PDU has been modified to have an initial TTL value of 15. So let's go to auto capture. button, then watch the animation as the packets bounce back and forth between router 2 and router 3 events and are added to the event list. When the simulation ends, click the View Previous Events button in the Waterfall dialog box. Okay. So R2, R3, type ICMP device, R3 last device, then times milliseconds. So yan yung hold time. Okay, let's just wait. In the step 2, examine the result. Scroll the top of the event list. Click the colored box in the info column. Okay. Waterfall, capturing, visualizing. Okay, view previous events. Okay, then after that, examine the result. Scroll top of the event list. So info. So yung top. So this one. Okay. So the PDU information sa kini. So OC model. Okay. The outbound. So wala dito sa layers. So out layers. Okay. The source IP specified ping requests ICP device detail packet reader destination address broadcast the default gateway sets outbound details. Okay. Then formation let's counts down. Then task 3, correct the problem and verify. So return to real-time mode. So return to real-time mode. Step 1, replace the misconfigured static route. Return to real mode on the router 2. Okay, router 2. And then router 2, enter global configuration mode and enter the following commands. Okay. Cisco enter enable class. So the global command is config terminal. So that's the global command. Then let's copy this one and enter. Enter. Copy. Enter. Then exit configuration mode by hitting the Ctrl Z. And then copy run start to exit. Copy run start to exit the router 2 mode. Okay. And after that, verify connectivity from the command line prompt on PC2. Okay. PC2 din ping PC1. Ping 172.16.3.10. Okay. So let's ping the PC1. Ping the should succeed. If not, troubleshoot the static root. So here, ping statistic for 172.16.3.10 packet sends 4 is equal to and receive 3, lost 1. So, hindi nag-succeed. So, let's proceed to step 4, rerun simulation. Run the simulation as described in task 2 to view the proper operation of the network. Okay. Let's proceed to simulation. Then, here, let's go back to task 2. View the simulation mode. Run the simulation. Okay. Let's auto capture this simulation mode. The event list. The water will spill there na.
I drink it all.
You put it in the table, tao. Put on the table. And let's wait for the configuration. For the simulation. For the simulation, run simulation. Running simulation. So we can see here, PC2 successful. So, previous. Okay. Okay, let's go back to simulation mode and let's go back to PC2. Let's ping the PC1 if it's working. Okay. Ping 172.16.3.10. So, pinging 172.16.3.10 with 32 bytes of data. So, reply from 172.16.3.10 bytes equals 32 times time is equal to 35 milliseconds. TTL is equal to 126. So, pinging a statistic for 172.16.3.10 packets sent 4, received 4, lost 0. So, PC1 is succeeded. So, it's working. So, that's all for this activity 2.7.3 solving the missing route. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video or this activity.